Hello everyone, welcome back to Charles Dev YouTube channel. In this video, we will be creating this hourglass loader using HTML and CSS only. This is what we will be creating in this video. And guys, don't forget to get the source code of this project. Link will be in the description. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Let's get right into it. Guys, first we are going to press shift exclamation tab to get the first set of keys here, because we don't need to code that much. Okay, so now we are going to link. That means we are not going to link CSS with the brackets and all. We're just going to type link and VS Code is going to do it for us. Link and we have CSS. So we're going to click enter or press link rel style sheet href CSS. Now we are going to create a div dot hourglass. Dot hourglass. Enter and it's done. Now we are going to style our CSS. We are going to press asterisk selector, margin going to be 0, padding going to be auto. We're going to have box sizing, border box, and we're going to have our body. Body is going to contain background. Color is going to be DD. Okay, it's going to be DD. Now we're going to enter. Now we are going to code our hourglass. So we are going to use the selector hourglass. Enter. It's going to have position of relative and a width of 100 pixels and a height of 100 pixels. And we're going to have a box shadow. It's going to be insert. And we're going to have a background color is going to be blue, but we're going to change it. It will be cyan color, but we need it dark. Nice, perfect. Now we enter. We have to enter in the same area because still we are not done. So we are going to create a margin. It's going to be 60 pixels. We're going to have a left of 20 pixels, and we are going to have justify content is going to be center. We're going to have align items center, and we're going to have our transition. Transition is going to be 1 second. That's it. And we are going to enter. And the last code for this is the border radius is going to be 5 pixels, and we are going to enter. Now we are going to make our div, enter. It's going to have a position of absolute, and it's going to have a width of 40% and a height of 30%. Oh, it's better to put viewport height. And we are going to have a border solid black 4 pixels. And this is it for the CSS. We have done our HTML and CSS. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now let's see the final outcome of it. Okay guys, now let's right click, show preview. As you can see, it works, and open it in browser. Okay guys, this is what we created in this project. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next. Peace.